Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and you're welcome to CoinxDaProducer. This is like a breaking news or a news flash, whatever you want to call it. Soundtoys is giving out 6 of their plugins for free, and it is starting today, which is the 8th of December, and it will run through the 19th of December. So if you don't want to miss out this amazing offer, make sure to stay connected by subscribing to my channel and most importantly turning on your bell notification so that I will get you guys updated. They've already given out the plugin for today, which I will be showing you shortly. To get this plugin, all you need to do is to follow the link in the description that will bring you here. Click on this, fill out the form, and they'll send it to your email, and from there you download and you set it up with your serial. And from here you can see how this whole thing works. It's starting on the 8th of December, which is today, and they will keep unlocking different plugins every 2 days. Okay, now the plugin for today they give out is Little PrimalTap, which is simply a delay plugin, but it is an interesting one with simple UI and simple features. You can see the time, the adjust, the multiply, and the in, feedback, and mix. And it came with some interesting factory presets you can actually try out. So let's have a quick listen to this on this simple guitar loop I have here. Alright guys, that will be it for the demonstration, and I believe you get the idea. So if this is something you are interested to have, make sure to use the link in the description to get a copy for yourself. And if you've not turned on your bell notification, I would suggest you do so that you don't miss any of these plugins. Alright, so I wanted to quickly share this information with you guys so that you don't miss out on any of their plugins. And if you've not gotten this limited time free mind-blowing plugin from Waves, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now and get a copy for yourself ASAP before it ends. And that brings us to the end of today's video. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.